In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Squarespace so you can sell your Shopify products directly on your Squarespace website. By the end of this guide, your store and site will work smoothly together. First, start inside your Shopify account. Go to the Sales Channel section and add the Buy Button channel. This feature allows you to sell your Shopify products on external websites, including Squarespace. Once the Buy Button channel is added, open it and choose whether you want to create a product buy button or a collection buy button. A product button is great for a single item, while a collection button displays multiple products. Select what you need, choose your product or collection, and then customize the button design so it matches your Squarespace website style. You can adjust colors, layout, and fonts to keep everything visually consistent. When you're happy with the design, click to generate the embed code and copy it. Now switch to your Squarespace website. Make sure you are on at least the business plan because that plan allows code blocks. Go to the page where you want the product to appear. Open the page editor, add a new block, and select code. Paste the Shopify embed code inside the block and save your changes. Your Shopify product or collection will now appear on your Squarespace page with a fully functional buy button, so your visitors can shop directly from your site while Shopify handles the checkout. And that's it. You've successfully combined Shopify's powerful selling tools with Squarespace's beautiful design. Happy selling!